It has been said that methods of distance learning differ from those held in a classroom setting. Up until very recently, replicating traditional teaching methods could be problematic. However, advancements in technology can now offer creative solutions enabling traditional teaching methods. Several companies offer complete packages that can be used to deliver the methods I'll detail in this short presentation. These are Google through their Classroom, Docs, Meet and Forms applications, Microsoft through 365 Office, and Zoom, which has had much press attention over the last few weeks. So let's have a look at what these methods are. All lessons should begin with an opening task in order to recap on previous learning, to assess prior knowledge and to get attendees thinking about their coming learning. Such tasks very often comprise of a question. For instance, what are the roles of a nurse? Answers within 3 minutes. Using video conferencing solutions from Google Hangouts, Zoom, Skype or Microsoft Teams, this task can be completed. We can then move on to a tutor talk using the complete software solutions previously mentioned. This can take place in a synchronous situation, while other platforms like YouTube, Vimeo and Screencastify can offer us the ability to offer asynchronous learning, which could be useful for professionals studying while they work. We should keep these videos short and sweet in order to maintain attention. We can cater to individual learning styles by offering content in other forms, such as an audio clip using applications like Audacity or WavePad, or as a text document via Microsoft Word or OpenOffice Writer. We can even utilise software like Otter to generate text from audio, which as trainers can save us a considerable amount of time. Just remember to check it afterwards. These options are also available for other learning methods such as research tasks, setting homework tasks, supplying reading lists, concluding our learning and recapping on content. Practical tasks and group work can also utilise presentation solutions such as PowerPoint, Prezi or Xiteboard, with interactions between learners at different locations using video calling functionality from Skype, FaceTime and WhatsApp. This also opens up the option to differentiate our learners and pair them with learners of similar ability, which stops them from being held back or left behind, but also to mix up learners with differing knowledge and ability. Research has shown that learning can be achieved better through active work as opposed to passive listening. Video calling also gives teachers a fantastic way to offer one-to-one feedback to learners while being able to pick up on non-verbal communication, such as body language and facial expressions. Effective feedback that contains the information learners need to improve has been shown to be one of the top influences on learner achievement. Quizzes and questionnaires are a great way to check learning at the close of a learning session. Solutions such as Quizlet or Socrative enable us to create bespoke resources which encourage self-reflection and allow learners to take ownership of the gaps in their knowledge. Excel and Google Sheets can also offer a great way to track learner progress and task completion. So you might be wondering why we would consider using alternative software if we have access to one of the complete packages that I mentioned at the beginning of the presentation. Well, it gives our learners the opportunity to pick a platform they are most comfortable with, allows them to use alternative input methods such as mobile phone or tablet, and prevents them from having to learn a new package prior to the learning of the course content, which could have a major impact on their chances of course completion, especially if they're not proficient in ICT.